We'll guide you through how to change the playback speed in CapCut using the latest desktop version for 2025-2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and load your project by clicking on the Open Project button. Once your project is open, you can see the timeline at the bottom of the screen, where all your video clips are placed. Now, click on the specific video clip on the timeline that you want to adjust. After selecting the clip, look for the toolbar above the timeline and click on the Speed option. This will bring up a speed adjustment panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll see a slider or input box that allows you to change the speed. You can either drag the slider to the left to slow down the playback, or to the right to speed it up. Alternatively, you can type in a specific speed percentage if you need precise control. For example, setting the speed to 50% will slow down your video to half its normal speed, while setting it to 200% will double its speed. Once you've adjusted the speed to your preference, make sure to preview the clip by pressing the play button to see if it meets your expectations. If everything looks good, you can proceed with editing the rest of your project or save it by clicking on the Export button at the top right corner. This method allows you to creatively manipulate your video timing for dramatic effects or to fit your desired duration. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.